'Cause it feels like I'm dreaming when I'm waking up next to you. And my wild heart is beating because it's beating next to you. Let's find something better to hold on to.
Nathan's not very happy today. Why aren't you happy?
Tired.
You're sleepy. You want some coffee? Want some coffee and pancakes?
I'm not going to Denny's.
I'm going to Denny's.
Siri, what time does Islands of Adventure close?
I don't see any hours for Universal's Islands of Adventure on Universal Boulevard, Orlando.
Wow, Universal. You're a fan.
Take two.
Oh wow. Oh boy.
So this is the obligatory car shot of me explaining where we are in the morning, and by morning I mean afternoon because it's almost 12 o'clock. So after last night's very merry.
Very spooky.
So here's the what is going on with my hair? Here's the obligatory car shot of in the morning to tell you where we are and what we're doing.
Craig! Get up, start again!
Hello. Welcome
You would like French
to the back of the car. So this is the obligatory car shot where I tell you where we are in the morning, and it's not morning because it's 12 o'clock in the afternoon. But after last night's not so scary, we were all knackered because we didn't get in until 2. So we have come to a water park, and it's a water park we haven't done since the first year we actually did Disney, which is
Blizzard Beach.
Blizzard Beach, because everyone goes to Typhoon and we've always gone to Typhoon, so we decided to just shake it up a little bit.
Shake, 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 and all that, shake your body down.
And come to Blizzard. So it's going to be very much a GoPro day.
Oh my god.
We'll see in a bit. Guna Matata. God, it's been so long since we came here.
Yeah, I don't recognise it.
No, neither do I. Came here once, didn't we?
Yeah. Jenny normally screws it up for us.
Being a girl.
Yeah. Not this time.
Hakuna Matata.
I'm just going to leave it recording because I want to see what my magic band does.
It's $65 to do a day here.
Are you serious? Philosophy. Hakuna Matata.
I remember that because when we get the pin from there.
Yes. I remember this.
No, Ice Skater.
Ice Skater.
We went on the tube slides and Craig cheated. Didn't ya? Cheated. Huh? Did you or did you not cheat?
I lifted my feet up and pushed me forward.
So you cheated.
So when the wedge dropped, I was
You meant to keep your feet flat on the wedge,
I was already forward.
aren't you?
I suppose.
Huh?
I suppose.
So you cheated.
I suppose.
Because Craig can't win fairly. Can you, sugar?
I won.
You have to cheat at every
I
bit.
cheat.
You do. You cheat at Monopoly.
You cheat at Monopoly.
How do I cheat at Monopoly?
I don't know, you owe me 6,762. Well, we'll call it 762, and then we'll call it 7,562 overall. And then what we do is take away that 6 that you're going to owe me another 2 rounds. So you might as well cheat the money now.
Another 2 rounds.
And you're like, we haven't got the board out yet now.
You're talking about real life.
Yeah. Feliz Navidad.
Don't you start.
Feliz Navidad.
Ice Skater's house.
Ice skater. Ice skater.
Ice Skater.
There's an ice skate.
Ice Skater.
Ice skater.
It's an alligator.
I understand that people at the beach, but you live people. What was your first not so like, Jen?
Absolutely. Terrific.
What's your favourite bit?
The Hocus Pocus show.
Hocus Pocus show.
Yeah.
What's your favourite bit?
Meeting the Gravediggers.
Yeah.
But
They
do
were
you know what?
awesome.
That was amazing. The picture on
Especially
the app.
with you, especially because you had the
With your
Haunted
dress.
Mansion dress.
Yeah.
There's a picture on the app of them looking at the dress. Absolutely.
My favourite bit has to be runaway mountain training, because I'm pretty certain that was sped up. That was sped up. With how fast we did the rocky bit.
Yeah.
It was
With that
sped
being
up.
Sophie, do you know what? It was nice to actually just spend the whole day with Zoe.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was.
Have a laugh and
not yet.
She's so lovely.
Because we love you, Zoe.
Because we still vlogged, but because we were all just hanging out and having fun, it didn't feel like vlogging, and those are the best vlogs and days together. God. You can't splash you while there's other people around. Why are you talking to us?
Did you flash me?
We didn't splash you.
I'm not talking to you. Did you splash me?
He's so adorable. You seem to be wet.
Don't do it again.
This will be good.
You wait till there's no one around. You're only pulling me like to stay around people.
He says quite nice.
He's on my back.
When you got me on the back,
I'm gonna wreck it.
I'm gonna wreck it.
What are you doing? No? Leaky cabin, maybe? Cabin what? A scream.
Ice cold water.
Oh. That was cold. Johnny, I got him.
Right down that crap. It's really cold, that water is.
oh, but
It's like ice cold. Baby! Stay
Be careful of the strong current.
Now what ride is it? There you go then. Bit choppy.
Look at his face. No. You don't have as much room as Typhoon here, do you?
Huh?
You don't have as much room as Typhoon, do you?
Oh, over there.
It's a bit choppy. on Summit Plummet.
Save me! You can do it! I believe in you! Yeah.
Yeah, I think we should have got to Taipei. Open them.
Shut up.
I can't.
There we go. I have a metal bar digging right into my thigh.
Look at the scenery. When do we drop? Bougie shot, oh bougie, bougie, bougie.
I can't use a bougie shot if you're singing.
Bougie shot, bougie shot. How's your day going so far, Nathan? You're hot and bothered? I'm just bothered.
You put some train on afterwards.
Yeah. You need to get some food.
No, you're not going fast. Jenny can go fast.
The lifeguard will give you the all
Craig,
clear,
put them
then
in
you
your
can
pocket.
go.
So then it's
Keep your hands and feet.
You gotta go fast, Craig.
Fine.
So you can record the dust coming down.
Move to the side immediately.
Well, the back lead section to the left all the way across the stairs.
Here comes Nathan.
Well, the back lead section to the left across the stairs.
Hit me in the bum.
Yeah.
That was me, but okay.
Again.
The back lead section to the left and all the way across the stairs.
Why? Why?
To surgically remove my shorts! Come to... Lots of watts? Loads of watts?
Something like that.
Lodge. My pizza. Craig has had for a change. Chicken nuggets. Oh, chicken strips.
Basically having five seconds.
Pretty much. Craig is that kid. Chicken nuggets is like my family.
Chicken, just chicken.
Very much.
Just chicken. As
And
well.
Jen's had pizza as well. Mine's really greasy.
Yes, mine is
Like,
really
as you can
good.
tell.
You can see it running down the middle. Lovely.
But bon appetit, dudes.
Where are we?
Epcot.
This isn't Blizzard Beach.
Yeah. I don't wanna be the girl, but I kinda need a word. Well, I'm into you. And oh, I know it's been a long time. I was on the sideline waiting for you. We could go to California